I credit that to my manager Monday because I tried for like 5, 6 months myself, going hard. But when I met him, he showed me the formula. He like, tie your shoe like this, do this, do it. And every time that shit worked.
Really?
You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. Just the other day, we were recording some shit and you could hear my buddy snoring in the background. And I ain't want to upload it because of that. He was like, hell no, they gonna go. Motherfucker went viral.
Really?